Most people get Wix plugins wrong by thinking you need to pay for everything to enhance your website. But the surprising truth is that there are powerful free plugins that can completely transform your site. Today, I'm showing you the best free Wix plugins you must have to level up your website. First up is Wix Forms ***. You won't believe how much functionality this free plugin gives you. You can create contact forms, feedback forms, and even newsletter sign-ups with zero coding. It integrates directly with your email marketing tools and lets you customize notifications so you never miss a lead. Most people underestimate how much a simple form can improve engagement, but this plugin makes it effortless. Next is Wix Chat ***. The surprising truth about Wix Chat is that it lets you connect with visitors in real time without paying for a third-party service. You can automate greetings, answer FAQs, or even set up offline messaging when you're away. This plugin alone can dramatically increase conversions because it gives your visitors instant support. For e-commerce sites, Wix Stores ** is essential. Even the free version allows you to showcase products, accept payments, and manage orders. Pair it with ** Wix Pricing Plans ***, another free plugin, to offer memberships for subscriptions. This combo is perfect if you're selling products or services without a huge upfront cost. If you're blogging or creating content, Wix Video ** is a must-have. You can upload videos directly to your site, create channels, and even embed playlists. Most people get this wrong by relying on YouTube embeds alone, but Wix Video gives your visitors a seamless, branded experience. Finally, don't overlook Wix SEO Wiz ***. It's free and guides you step by step to optimize your site for search engines. From meta descriptions to keyword suggestions, it helps your website rank higher without paying for an expensive SEO tool. In conclusion, the best free Wix plugins, Wix Forms, Wix Chat, Wix Stores, Wix Video, and Wix SEO Wiz can dramatically improve your website's functionality, engagement, and visibility. Most people spend money unnecessarily, but with the right free tools, you can build a professional, fully functional site at zero cost. Subscribe for more Wix tips and plugin recommendations so you can get the most out of your website without breaking the bank.